This is Euclid Book 2, proposition number 10. And I know I've been promising to do Euclid Book 2, proposition number 11, but we have to get through this one first. Okay? So let's begin, and let's try to get this done as quick as possible so we can go on to number 11, and we can spend some time on it. First of all, Euclid has you draw a straight line from point A to point B. And then he wants you to draw a line that not only bisects AB, but is also perpendicular to AB, and will end up being equal. This line here will be equal in size to AC and CB. Why is this so? Because in this case, line AC is equal in size to line CB. So if CE here is equal in size to AC, then it will also be equal in size to CB. Now, how do we achieve all this? Well, first of all, you're going to use Euclid Book 1, Proposition 11, to draw this line and bisect it and make it all perpendicular. Okay? Then you're going to use Euclid Book 1, Proposition number 3 to make sure that line CE is equal in size to line AC and CB. Okay, now, Euclid's not done. He wants you to draw another line from point B to point D. Okay, and then, after that, what he wants you to do is he wants you to draw a line from point D to point F, draw another line from point F to point E. Okay, now, we've already established that AC equals CB, which also equals CE. Okay? Now we can go on to establish that line EF is parallel to AD, and line FD, which is, FD, is parallel to CE. And this is by Euclid Book 1, proposition number 31. Alright, because of all of this, angle CEF, well, here's C, here's E, and here's F, plus angle EFD, if you add these two angles together, the number of degrees of both of them added together is going to be 180 degrees. And this is by Euclid Book 1, proposition number 29. Now, that also means that angle FEB, which this is F, this is E, this is B, this would be that angle right there, and EFD, if you were to add the number of degrees between here and here, they would not equal 180 degrees. They would equal a little bit less than 180 degrees. Alright, because of that, because this angle here is and this angle here is going to be less than 180 degrees, that also means that line FD here, and line EB, if extended out, is going to meet at a point called G. And that's what we've done here. We've extended EB, made it point G, and FD and made it point G. So they meet right here. Alright? Now, AC equals CE. Okay, we already established that. That means that angle EAC equals AEC. Well, here's AEC. Okay, so this angle right here and this angle right here are going to be equal in size. Alright, that's by Euclid Book 1, proposition number 5. We can also say that angle ACE is 90 degrees. And because of that, these two angles right here, which is AEC and EAC, these two angles right here are going to be 45 degrees because of Euclid Book 1, proposition number 32. And now I'm going to stop the proof right here, and I'll continue it in my next video, so stay tuned.